In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing expense and deposit transactions to QuickBooks Online. This process ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date, reflecting every transaction smoothly. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the initial page, locate the Sign In option and click on it. If you haven't accessed your account recently, you might need to enter your login credentials, so have those ready. This ensures that only you or your designated team members have access to this sensitive financial information. After you sign in, make sure you've selected QuickBooks Online if prompted. This step is crucial as QuickBooks offers various platforms, and selecting the wrong one could lead you in an endless search for the right interface. When you're signed in, navigate to the New button, usually found on the left side or top of your dashboard. This button is your gateway to creating new financial records, whether they are expenses, invoices, or deposits. Choose Expense after clicking the New button. This will lead you to the section where you can input details for your missing transactions. Next, it's time to add the payee. This is the individual or company to whom you made this expense. Make sure you fill this field accurately, as it's vital for tracking your cash flow and understanding where your funds are being allocated. Now select the payment account. This is the account from which the funds were drawn for this transaction. This step helps in maintaining a coherent connection between your bank statements and your QuickBooks records. Be sure that the account and the date of the payment correspond accurately to your records. Accurate entries will save you a lot of time during end-of-month reconciliations. Then confirm the payment date. It's usually in a calendar format that lets you pick the date when the transaction actually took place. Ensuring the date is correct is important, especially for accurate financial reporting and compliance. Next, select the appropriate category. This classification might be for office supplies, utilities, or travel expenses. Proper categorization helps you analyze where you might be overspending or where you could potentially cut costs in the future. After that, enter the amount. Double check to ensure the number reflects the exact figure from your transaction. Any discrepancy here can lead to significant confusion when balancing your finances. Finally, once all fields are complete and checked for accuracy, click on Save and Close. This action will officially add the expense to your QuickBooks account. Remember, accuracy in every step of this process is key to maintaining clean and reliable financial records. That wraps up today's tutorial on adding missing transactions to QuickBooks Online. With your newly added transactions, your financial reporting should now be complete, accurate, and ready for deeper financial insights. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, keep your books balanced and your accounting flawless.